To create a credit memo in QuickBooks Online, hover over the Create button in the navigation bar and select the Credit Memo command under the Customers heading to open the Credit Memo window. You use this window much like you use the Sales Receipt window. First, select a customer from the Customer dropdown. Their email appears in the Email field to the right if one was entered. To send it later if desired, check the Send Later checkbox. To add CC or BCC emails if needed, click the CC/BCC link by the email field, enter the email addresses into the menu that appears, and then click the Done button in the menu. Select the credit memo's date from the Credit Memo Date field. The credit memo's number appears in the Credit Memo Number field, and you can change it if you enabled custom transaction numbers in your company file settings. If classes are assigned per transaction or locations are enabled, you can use the Class and Location dropdowns at the right side of this form to select your desired choices. Next, click into the Product/Service column in the Line Items section to select the products or services for which the customer is being credited and enter the associated line item's return refund information. Alternatively, to create a new General Credit line item, select the Add New choice from the Product Service dropdown and create it in the Product Service information pane that then appears. Take care if you create a general credit to select the correct income account and set its correct taxable setting. The total credit, shown towards the lower right corner of the window, shows the total credit amount. When finished, save the credit memo and select an optional follow-up action by either clicking the Print or Preview button and selecting the Print or Preview command to save and print it, clicking the Save button to simply save it, or selecting a choice from the Save and Send/Save and New/Save and Close dropdown button, all of which appear in the toolbar at the bottom of the window. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.